Josh Valentine. I'm going to be performing pelvic category 1. First, I'm going to find a good indicator muscle of the hamstring, and it's strong. I'm going to have her TL both SI joints. It's weak. I'm going to have her TL both hands over the right. I'm going to have her TL both hands on the left. And the right was weaker, but first I'm going to palpate the first rib for any tenderness. Are there any tenderness here? No tenderness. So now I'm going to rebound challenge on the SI, the opposite ischium. Okay, we'll go with the right side. So now I would do the blocks on the opposite PSIS side and the opposite ischium. So I'm going to have it on the left PSIS and the right ischium. And then we put the blocks in. I will do a pumping assist on the left ischium. Strong. And then now I'm going to have her TL with the blocks on, both SIs. Strong. Take the blocks out. Keep SIs TL and strong. Pelvic category 2 SI. I'm going to find an indicator muscle with the rectus femoris. Strong. And now I'm going to have her TL the right SI. And now have her TL the left SI. And the right SI is what we're going to go with. And now I'm going to rebound challenge on the right PSIS. And now the right ischium on the involved side. And so I'm going to place the blocks 90 degrees on the PSIS on the right and the left posterior ischium. And then we will do the breathing exercise with this, and then we will TL the right SI with the blocks, and now we'll take the blocks out and TL the right SI. I'm doing pelvic category 2 SP. We're going to find an indicator muscle with sartorius. Strong. I'm going to have her TL the pubic symphysis. That's strong. Now I'm going to rebound challenge the right PSIS and the opposite posterior ischium. Now the opposite side. The right side was weaker, so I'm going to block 90 degrees over the right PSIS and the left posterior ischium. And then her right leg was a long leg, so we're going to perform this. And then left was a short leg. Now with the blocks in, I want to have her TL with the pubic symphysis again. Strong, and then I'm going to take the blocks out and TL one more time, and then strong. Pelvic category 3. I'm going to find an indicator muscle with the hamstrings. Strong. I'm going to rebound challenge on the right L5 and left ilium. Left L5, right ilium. And since the right side was weaker, I'm going to block on the right 90 degrees to the spine, and on the ilium on the left here. I'm going to check for any pain on the L5. Is there any pain or tenderness?
No.
There is not. So now I'm going to perform the sacral vault with inhale and exhale. So I'm going to have you take a deep breath in, hold it, exhale all the way out, hold. And since there was a inhalation weakness, we're going to do exhalation assist at the base of the sacrum as she inhales. So take a deep breath in. And then now I'm going to recheck with the blocks on. I'm going to rebound challenge. Resist. Take the blocks out. Rebound challenge. And then resist. Strong. I'm going to be performing cranials, and the first one is the inhalation assist. Cranial vault, I'm going to find a good indicator muscle. And we found a good indicator muscle. And from here on, I'm going to perform the pec clavicular wave to perform. And first, I'm going to rebound challenge P to A on each mastoid. Right, you can see, wave, wave. The right side was weak, so I'm going to go P to A on the right mastoid 4 to 5 times, on inhalation 4 to 5 times. And then I'm going to recheck that, P to A on the right, strong, P to A on the left, strong. We're going to go into exhalation assist cranial vault, and this I'm going to go A to P on each mastoid. On the right side, weak, left side strong. So we're going to go on the right side, I'm going to go A to P on the right mastoid 4 to 5 times with 4 to 5 expirations. I'm going to go retest and go A to P on the mastoid on expiration and test, strong. And on the left, A to P, expiration, and strong. And now I'm going to go to spinobasilar inspiration cranial vault. And now I'm going to go on inspiration P to A, I to S on the right. And then P to A, I to S on the palate on the left. And that right was weak, so on the right side, I want to go P to A, I to S 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 inspirations. And then now we're going to recheck. And we're going to go P to A, I to S, an inspiration, right strong, on the left P to A, I to S on the palate, and that is strong. Now we're going to go to spinobasilar expiration assist cranial vault. We're going to go A to P on the right mastoid, P to A on the right maxilla on expiration, and now we're going to go A to P and P to A on the left maxilla on expiration. The right was weak, so now I'm going to go A to P on the right mastoid, P to A on the right maxilla 4 to 5 times for 4 to 5 expirations. Now I'm going to recheck A to P, P to A, strong, A to P, and P to A, strong. Glabella cranial vault. We're going to go on the glabella and EOP. I'm going to push here, and I want to have her breathe through her nose. And now I'm going to have her inhale through her mouth. It was weaker on inhalation through the nose, so now I'm going to have her plug her nose, and I'm going to push 4 times on the EOP and glabella, inspiration. And then now I'm going to go I to S on C1 to C3 4 times. I'm going to retest. Breathe through your nose. Strong. Breathe through your mouth. Strong. Temporal bulge cranial vault. We're going to go on the frontal and occipital, and then I'm going to test. Now I'm going to go in a clockwise direction. Test. Counterclockwise, test. The greatest weakness was with counterclockwise, so now I'm going to hold and go in counterclockwise direction 4 to 5 times for 4 to 5 seconds, and then now I will retest all. Strong, clockwise, strong, counterclockwise, strong. I'm going to be doing the parietal descent. I'm going to go here, flick, test that is weak. So now I'm going to lift and hold for 4 to 5 seconds, 4 to 5 times. And then now I'll retest by the rebound challenge with the flick, and that is strong. Internal frontal cranial vault. I'm going to rebound challenge on the zygomatic arch to the opposite ear. Test. Test. The right was weak, so I'm going to hold for 30 seconds, I to S on the palate. I'm going to go S to I on the ipsy-pterygoid. I'm going to go I to S on the contra-pterygoid. Then I will recheck the right, strong, left, strong. External frontal cranial vault. I'm going to test the right upper lip and the left. The right was weak, so now I'm going to hold for 30 seconds, I to S on the contra palate. And then I'm going to go S to I on the ipsy-pterygoid. So then I'll recheck. Strong, strong. Nasosphenoid cranial vault. I'm going to push A to P, lateral medial, rebound challenge. Rebound challenge. It's weak on the right, so now I'm going to have her inhale, hold, exhale, hold. It's weak on inhalation, so I'm going to press lateral medial and A to P on the right nasal bone 4 to 5 times on inhalation. And now I will recheck. Inhalation, hold, strong, exhale, strong. And now I'm just going to recheck both. Strong, strong. Universal cranial vault. I'm going to direct test with clockwise and then counterclockwise. It was weak on clockwise, so I'm going to now test if it is weaker with the left nostril or right nostril. So plug your right nostril for me. Now I'll go to the left. Take a deep breath. And it is now weaker when she plugs the left nostril, so now I'm going to have her plug the left nostril, and on inhalation I'm going to take to the right, clockwise, counterclockwise direction. And then now I will retest the direct test. You can relax your hand. Strong, strong.